you will definitely succeed, and just be yourself really, and you'll make it here.
What task do you enjoy doing the most?
Speaking to clients, just to check in calls to see how they're doing.
Yeah.
Obviously helping them as well if they do need the help, but mostly just hearing about their success.
Hi everyone, my name is Joseph Valente. I am the CEO of the Trade Mastermind. We are an 8-figure organisation with over 50 members of staff here in the business. And I wanted to sit down with some of my amazing team to hear what their journey's been like working with this business, and to showcase to anybody looking for a career with Trade Mastermind what the opportunities are. So Claudia, great to have you here today. Thanks for sitting down with me.
Thank you for having me.
No problem, you're welcome. So Claudia is a customer account manager here at Trade Mastermind. She does an amazing job. So tell us, what does your job entail, Claudia?
So I just mainly look after all the academies that we've got, just making sure our clients are on the right track and, making them successful.
So Claudia is always on hand for any client needs or support, and Claudia and her team do a fantastic job. So you've been with us quite some time now, Claudia.
Yeah.
How long have you been with the organisation?
So it's nearly 12 months now.
Nearly 12 months, congratulations.
Thank you.
And have you enjoyed the journey so far?
Yeah, I did. I
Yeah?
really love it.
Okay, fantastic. All right, good. Well, what do you love the most about working here in this business?
I think it's just because it's always something different.
Yeah.
So I don't like doing the same thing every day. So it's always something to do. There's loads of stuff to do anyway. Always busy, always keeping me busy. So I really love that. I don't want to just be sitting around doing nothing all day.
Yeah. So great variety within the role, and it's changed quite a lot since when you first started. Yeah.
Yeah, it
Give
did.
us a little bit of timeline on that journey and what that's been like for you.
So it kind of started with just me and Malvina really, and now it's around 5 people in our team, isn't it, or
Yeah.
even more. So it was just me and her doing check-in calls, checking on customers, doing onboardings, and now we've got, an onboarding manager, someone doing the events, someone just checking in with clients. So we've got different roles within the department as
Yeah.
an account manager.
And how have you seen the business change over that time?
A lot. So
Yeah.
it just grew so much since I started. Remember it used to be like 15 of us anyway.
Yeah.
Or even less, probably.
Yeah, so it's nearly 3
And now
times
it's like,
the size.
yeah, it is.
Okay, cool. So a couple of questions then. What's or who is your favourite co-worker within this business?
I don't think I can say that.
Okay, all right. Can you give me your top 3?
So I'm going to have to say, I'm going to have to say Monique,
Yeah.
because I've just started with her
Yeah.
as well.
What, you
So-
started with her?
Well, she used to just be me and her before I joined Malvina's team. It used to be me, her, and Emma, if you remember.
Ah, right. Okay.
So, like, she
so
kind
you
of trained
started
me.
with her.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
So it would
okay.
be Monique. So top 3, you said.
Monique, or you can just leave Monique if you like.
I'll get Gemma and Chloe on it as well.
Gemma and Chloe. Amazing, good stuff. Okay, cool. What's the one element that you love the most about the job? What task do you enjoy doing the most?
Speaking to clients, just to check in calls to see how they're doing.
Yeah.
Obviously helping them as well if they do need the help, but mostly just hearing about their success.
Yeah.
It just makes me motivated as well. So obviously hearing about someone else's success.
Fantastic,
Just makes
that's
me feel
great.
different,
The
so.
team are very, very success driven, and they love to see the clients win, so it's great to hear that. How have you grown personally? What do you think you've learned?
Well, I feel like I used to be a bit more shy
Yeah.
when I started, and now I just walk into departments and I just get my point across.
Yeah, fantastic, that's great.
So I feel like I'm more confident in a way.
What advice would you give to anybody looking to come in and join this business? How do they succeed here at Trade Mastermind?
Well, if you put in the effort and you put in the work and just make sure you're doing your job and not rely on anyone else, you will definitely succeed, and just be yourself really, and you'll make it here.
Fantastic. Okay, Claudia, well done.
Thank
Thanks
you.
very much for today. I've really enjoyed it. And if you're looking for a career with Trade Mastermind, send your CV to recruitment@trademastermind.co.uk.